So today we're going to pick some more jujube. Yeah, check it out. Check them out, guys. Up there. Can you see them? I've been picking every few days from the bottom, but I haven't got to the top ones because I can't reach them. So it's a reminder to trim the tree so you don't need a ladder. I need a ladder today, otherwise I can't reach. And because it's a prickly tree, you can't climb it. You can't climb that jujube tree. It's got thorns. So let's get in there. Okay, I'm in the tree now, right? And as you can see, I've just about emptied the whole tree at the bottom. Oh, here's one I forgot. Yeah, that's it. So the rest of them are higher, and I need the ladder. So this is going to be the fourth harvest. That is the fourth bowl. We've already had 3 of these bowls of Chico. This is the Chico variety. Hello guys. Well, aren't I glad that I netted you? Otherwise, forget about it. With parrots. I had to put a net up earlier today on the pineapple guava, because guess what I was greeted with when I woke up? Parrots eating the first Fruitopia. Unreal. Good morning. We're gonna have your first Fruitopia. Unreal. How dare you? So yeah, this is very strange. I don't know what this is. Do you guys know what this is? A few of the jujubes have got this phenomena, and I don't know what it is, guys. What's going on here? Nothing can get in this through this net. Is that a bite, or is that unknown? I still eat it though. Hang on. Hi. I still eat it. Tastes fine. No signs of fruit fly maggots. Perfectly fine. I don't know. So anyway, there's only been like a dozen of those. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. There's another one. That's what I'm doing at the beginning of April. Oh man, I need 2 hands, guys. A lot. There's a lot in here. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Yeah, it's so good. All right, be back soon. I'm trying to capture them before I take them off, so you can see what they look like when they're hanging. Right? How's it hanging? It's hanging jujube, and they're falling off as soon as I pull the branches back. Yeah, trying to give you a view, a bird's eye view, right? At the top of the tree, without falling off the ladder. Yeah. Okay. We picked some up there. And now we're going to move the ladder in through here. Right? There's 4 different openings that I can stick the ladder in. Okay, I've gone into the next entrance. Well, there's a lot more. Look at that. And guess what? We're going to get a ton of rain. Good news. Well, that's what they forecast. The first week of April. We'll see about that. We've had a few false starts or false promises over summer. But April is a little more the season for rain, you know, April showers. Yeah, so I can't help but eat. The bounty, guys. I can't help but eat it. I apologize for eating my fruit as I'm picking it. I wish these were mangosteens and rambutan. I would so much prefer that. The phone keeps tapping off, being touched by leaves. Hello. Yeah. The leaves keep brushing the camera. And that's not meant to happen, right? I was saying, I wish I was picking mangosteen and rambutan instead of jujube. But we can't have it all, right? It's one or the other. Doug in Brisbane was saying that these are not tropical. You can still grow the Indian jujube. That's tropical. Doug. Oh. Okay, guys. I'm moving over now to the third opening on the other side. Yeah. I've left a few so they ripen for mid-April. Okay, the bowl is filling up. Oh, yeah. So we've got an opening here. We've got an opening here. And we've got an opening in here, guys. It's a little bit of work, but what can I do? I live in a treacherous area as far as wildlife. And I've got these to deal with whenever these fruit. That won't be fun. I can just see the blackbirds, the minor birds going after the jamun fruit. A lot of work. The same with the avocado. Even the avocados aren't safe. Have a look. I know I'm digressing, but guys, I just want to show you how difficult it is for me. Hang on, where was it? Every second day there's an avocado that's munched on. Hang on. Oh, there it is. I found it. Right there. So this happens 2 to 3 times a week. Look, this is the house avocado. Makes you want to cry. Right? And I saw one there on the ground, but thankfully it's intact. Yeah. Nice. Okay, let's get back to work. I always, I think it's because of Kim. She does that all the time. All the time. She goes to other tangents Okay, let me bring the bowl. I see a lot here too. Better get a move on. We've got to go to the beach today. The beach days are over, guys. In Melbourne, it's finished. Season's over. And there's only like a day or two left. So we're... Oh, the phone switched off again. Damn. Keeps switching off when I'm brushing up against the leaves of the tree. I was saying that we want to go to the beach today, so I got to get chopping. These are half ripe. They're not fully ripe. See how they're half green and half brown? You don't want them like that, unless you do. We like them fully brown. Fully brown, not like that. Like that, it's a bit sour. And if you like sour apples, well, that's when you pick them, when they're like that. See how some of them fell accidentally? These ones, these are going to be half sour and half sweet. So you get every kind of flavor profile. All right, this is very hard in here to hold the camera, so let me grab some of these. Camera turned off again. By the way, you're gonna get cut up if you don't have long sleeves, like I'm getting cut up now. I didn't realize that I wouldn't mind a little bit of pain, so it's okay. So we're almost done, guys. I've got to go into the last opening here. It's going to be a tight fit though, and yes, I have got a little bit of sharp thorns brushing up against me, but I'm okay with that because it's not too bad. It's like someone scratching you or scratching yourself with your nails. It's that kind of feeling, right? It's not the end of the world. Come on now, let's not be babies. Okay, this one was the hardest to fit into, or the tightest. I'm right next to the jambulan tree. Actually, my whole backside is touching the jamun tree. One slip off the ladder and I will be crushing the jamun tree in two. So no slip ups, guys. Yeah. As I was saying earlier, you can grow this in southeast Queensland too, because you guys aren't exactly 100% warm up there all year, right? So if you're into Toowoomba, Warwick, or Stanthorpe, you're almost in the same climate that I am, almost. So you could easily grow the jujube there, the regular jujube, this one, easily. Wow, right at the top here, at the apex, there's some big ones, some really big ones. They're definitely not typical Chico size. These are more like I can't remember the variety name, but it's like a variety that's got really big jujube. And the reason this is happening, guys, is because of cross-pollination with the Li, right? I've got a Li and a Shangxi Li. Okay, we're done. Almost a whole bowl. That was a pretty close shave, as you can see. That's what I was talking about with the jamun, right? I tore off the branch, climbing and coming down from the ladder. Not a big deal, guys. Not the same as falling onto the jamun and smashing it into pieces and losing 4 years. 4 years of growth, guys. 4 years. Right? Alright. So we're all good. All good in the hood. Yeah, that one was a tough one. That entry in there. Because of the jabun. Okay, and lastly, we're gonna go in here and pick What fell? Whew. I got my gym exercise for today. Yep. My workout. How many steps have I done? 2,000. 2,000 steps up and down the ladder. Sounds good to me. Okay. Oh wow, there's a lot down up here. So that's it, guys. That's our bounty again. We'll check back in about 2 weeks so that these green ones ripen and the brown ones turn real dark. That's how we like them, right? There's a lot in there. There's at least one full bowl or two medium-sized bowls. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I'm gonna take them all inside now and enjoy them as a snack by the computer at night. Just like you eat peanuts, I eat these. But these have 0 fat, right? All right. Oh, we're excited for the rain. Woohoo! Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you from the next one, guys. Bye-bye now. Sunshine.